All right, what's up everybody? We are back to talk about our second value pack here. Now, a really cool thing about the value packs is number one, they are available at your local O'Reilly's, so they're very easy to come by. Number two, I feel like everybody in the industry always wants to try a sample. Oh, can I sample it? Can I try it? And you can, but with a sample size, sometimes it's very small. You might not get a good idea of how the product works. So we put together these value packs to give you enough of the product to try it on a few different vehicles to make sure that you like how it works and that it is the right fit for what you're trying to accomplish in that particular detail. So again, these are half-gallon sizes and they are a really good way to try out the product. They're not expensive. These kits sell for 35 to 40 bucks and you get 4 half-gallons along with a can of the coverall tire dressing. So this kit is called the Detailer Kit. Part number is A102 on this, and we're gonna start with Dark Fury. Dark Fury already has a very large following. Most of you guys have tried this, you love it. If you're not familiar with this product, it is a wheel and bug cleaner. Very strong, high pH, so you wanna be careful with that. Always start at 4:1 with the dilution on this product. I would never go any less than 4:1 because it is so strong. So start at 4:1. You could probably take it further than that, maybe even up to 10:1. So dilute it, spray, make sure your rim or your wheel is cool and wet. Spray this product all over it. Let it dwell for about 20 to 30 seconds. Hit it with your pressure washer. You won't have to scrub. You won't have to do a lot of work. It will literally melt the brake dust off of your rim. Works fantastic. Same with bugs. So if you've got a bunch of bugs on the front of your car, truck, SUV, wet it, make sure it's cool, spray this stuff all over those bugs. Again, let it dwell for 20 to 30 seconds, hit it with a pressure washer. The bugs are just gonna melt right off. Really cool product. Next in the lineup is Aqua Gloss. Aqua Gloss is a concentrated interior or exterior dressing. This product is so cool because it actually will repel dust without sounding like I'm getting into too much specific detail here. There's negative ions, there's positive ions. This product will actually repel dust. So it's concentrated. You can control the gloss. So if you're looking for more of a high shine finish, use it full strength. It's gonna be thick, it's gonna glob out, but you can put it onto an applicator and then wipe the surface down, whether you're trying to do the dash or the tires. You can use it full strength, but it will not spray through a spray bottle at full strength. Has a really cool smell. It's kind of like a melon scent. And then again, if you're looking for just a satin or that new car look, cut it 50-50, cut it 4:1. It will start to separate when it is diluted that much. Not a problem. Shake it up before you go to use it again. You'll still get amazing results with it. Firepower. This is a non-caustic interior cleaner. So you can, non-caustic, meaning you can run it through equipment without causing any damage to your equipment. So you can put it in your carpet extractor. 2 to 4 ounces in your carpet extractor should be plenty. If you use a product we have called Zap It as a pre-treatment and then Firepower in your carpet extractor, you guys are going to absolutely love how your carpets and seats will come out clean. They are gonna smell great, they're gonna look great, and when it dries, it's not gonna dry with a bunch of weird things in there. It's just going to look clean. So again, non-caustic interior cleaner. And also great for equipment. Pressure washers, carpet extractors will not damage your equipment. Next up is Easy Shine. Easy Shine is a quick detailer, or you can also use this as a clay bar lubricant. This is considered a ready-to-use product. We do have some accounts that will dilute it 1:1. I wouldn't cut it any further than that. Smells like grape. Works awesome. You can also use this in between your ceramic coatings if you're looking for something to just keep up with the maintenance of the vehicle, keep it shiny, add a little bit of protection to the exterior. This product will be fantastic for that. Spray it on, wipe it off, that's it. Very easy to use. And then of course, Last up, coverall, which does come in the detailer kit as well. This is the old coverall. Any of that other stuff that we put out during COVID when we were having problems with getting time on the aerosol fillers lines, we're back, baby. Old nozzle, the old everything. Grab it, try it, you will love it. Spray it on, walk away, you're done. This again is the detailer kit, part number A102. If you are looking to try our line of products out, this is a fantastic way. Very small investment and you get a lot of product out of it. I think you will probably love everything that you try. Next up, we are going to talk about the Body Shop Safe Value Pack.